Hi, I'm Dr. Ray and I want to give you a very effective natural remedy for gout. And gout has a hereditary predisposition, so you may have it because of genetic factors. But not to worry, this remedy will really help you. And of course, there are medications out there for gout which I do prescribe for my patients, such as allopurinol. But the downside to these medications are the side effects, and that is why I'm bringing you this video to give you a natural remedy with less or no side effects. And gout is simply a situation where you experience pain and swelling, or both, due to a buildup of uric acid crystals in certain parts of the body, especially the joint, primarily the toes and the knees. And the focus is to help you get rid of the uric acid crystals using natural remedies. For example, with allopurinol, it inhibits the enzyme called xanthine oxidase. So the focus is to give you some natural inhibitors of this enzyme with less or no side effect. It is kind of mimicking what allopurinol does, but here with less or no side effect. And before I tell you what this natural remedy is, I want to first of all give you some guidelines to reducing the symptoms of gout. And the first is to cut off your intake of protein foods, especially meat and dairy products. Secondly, is to cut off sugar, especially foods high in fructose. And then also stop taking alcohol, especially beer, if you're the type who take alcohol. And lastly is to increase the amount of water you drink. Drinking a lot of water will help you dilute the concentration of the uric acid, helping with the pain and the swelling. And if you do well with these 4 guidelines, you're going to see a massive improvement with your pain and swelling with gout. So now, what is the natural remedy I recommend for you? First of all is to go for white Chinese mulberry extract. It has certain phytonutrients that can inhibit the enzyme xanthine oxidase responsible for the formation of uric acid crystals. And then Chinese cinnamon, really excellent for treating gout and also helps with persons with pre-diabetes or insulin resistant with diabetics. Then you can also go for what we call alpha lipoic acid. It helps excrete excess uric acid by the kidneys, and your kidneys are able to function better when you take alpha lipoic acid, and the less uric acid you have in your system. It is also beneficial for peripheral neuropathy. Then the next is omega-3 fatty acids such as the avocado, fish oil, and cod liver oil. Cod liver oil contains vitamin A and vitamin D, and they act as anti-inflammatory and also inhibit the enzyme responsible for the formation of uric acid. And you can also go for what we call devil's claws or cat claws, very potent anti-inflammatory drug for any type of pain, and these are all natural products. And lastly, you can go for what we call iporurul, another potent anti-inflammatory drug, and also act as COX-2 inhibitor like how aspirin and other NSAIDs works. So if you suffer from gout, my special prescription for you will be number 1, white Chinese mulberry extract, then alpha lipoic acid, then iporurul, and then omega-3 fatty acids. Now this is my own prescription, and it doesn't mean you have to stick with this only. I can also work around the others and give you another prescription. So any of these 6 natural remedies are excellent for your gout, and combining at least 2 of them can work perfectly for you. And I have a bonus point for you. I also recommend you work on your gut microbiome by feeding them with food they need, especially the probiotics such as the sauerkraut and the kimchi, because the better your gut microbiomes, the better they can help get rid of uric acid crystals, and you see a massive improvement with your gout, and you get rid of them once and for all. So while you are following the guidelines I gave you and taking these natural remedies, you'll be on your way to getting rid of your gout the natural way with less or no side effects. If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up by tapping the like icon you see right on your screen. It will go a long way to help us reach many people, and don't forget to bring in your comment and also share this video with all your loved ones. Hey, always remember that God wants to help you. Your health, your life.